Hi guys, Luke from MYPOS Connect here. We're going to go over the purchasing orders function in the MYPOS Connect portal. This function allows users to send purchase orders directly to suppliers. Once you've logged into the portal, navigate to the left-hand side to Inventory Management, click on it, and then click on Purchase Orders. Once you've clicked on this, you'll see all of the previous purchase orders in the system, as well as various information, including the status, whether it's been complete, it's a draft, or committed. To make a new one, you click on Add New, and then you've got a few different fields here that you have to fill out. For the order number, if you have a particular format or reference that you want to use in the purchase order, you can type it in, or you can leave it blank to auto-populate. For this purpose, I'm going to do test 005. Then the order date, I want that to be today. For the delivery date, I want to request for Monday. The supplier, delivery store, and then here you go to add the items. You click on add, and it brings up the pop-up box here. And there's two different ways to select the items. You can either search for it here. For example, if I search for Coke, it will show me all of the products that have Coke in the title. Or you can go to the classifications here. If I choose drinks, then it will show all of the products within that classification. I'm going to use Coke for this demo purpose. Let's click on Coke. For the quantity, we want 15 cans of Coke. For the cost price, this will use the latest price that's in the system. If it's changed or you want it to change, you can change it here. So it was 99p. I'm going to put this down to 85p. Then you press OK. You can add as many items as you like in here, but I'm just going to add the one product. If you want to add any notes related to this purchase order, you can type them in here. Once you're happy, you press add. Once you've pressed that, you can see it's in a draft status. While it's in a draft status, you can go back to it and you can amend it. We have a function available, so only particular users can complete it and commit to an order, and then some users can just make it in the draft status. So if you're happy with it and you want to commit it, as soon as you press commit, it will send an email to the supplier. You click on commit, and then a pop-up says order committed. Now you can see the status has changed to committed. Let's fast forward to Monday. We've received the goods. So you go back to purchase orders, click down here, receive. Two different options here. If you've received all of the products, you simply tick here. If you've received the products and 15 is not there and only 13 has been received, for example, you would click on 13 and then you press save. As soon as you press save, this is going to adjust the stock levels in the system. I'll press save here. Now you can see the status is moved to complete.